No, you're not. They have a classroom. Yes, because you know they do training outside.
Yeah.
My major reason for visiting this facility this afternoon is a major problem that we're having, not just in the States, but it's a problem of the entire country. Issues of drug addiction. This problem is a problem that is not even about the rich again. The poor are also suffering it, and it starts from the primary school level. So while we were discussing with my commissioner, I felt it's important for us to revisit the Psychiatric Hospital and see what we can do to build a standard rehab for drug rehabilitation patients. On my way here, I also noted that the psychiatric hospital that I know many years ago is still what it is. I think we need to do a total rehabilitation of this facility to accommodate and also meet the standard of reality of the day. So I will commission the commissioner to kickstart the process immediately. It's not something we're going to wait. What you're doing here already with your internal revenue is good, but we have to double it. So we're taking over the project at this point to increase the number of the bed space to be about 100 for the start. So Commissioner, please, let's commence on the process, and not just the rehab building, but the total, like I said, rehabilitation of the facility to meet the standard of the day and the needs of our people, not just for the states, but also neighboring states who don't have this facility. And also our young ones that are in the medical school, they use this particular facility for their training. So we need to put them up to standard. Thank you.